If you don't know how to write with the keyboard, you type just like this, or even this, or you type more or less well but want to improve your technique, then you need this course. This course is made for you, whether you want to beat the world typing record or if you just want to type properly, without spending a lot of time to find each key, without breaking your neck looking up and down at the keyboard on the screen. The objective of the course is to type effortlessly, fluently, to the rhythm of your thoughts or a dictation. If you sign up, this method will guide you to reach a typing speed of at least 240 characters per minute. This may sound like a lot to you now, but it's only 4 keys per second. Some people have reached 480 characters per minute, 8 keys per second. No, it's not impossible. Anyone, both children and adults, can achieve it in just a few months by practicing half an hour a day, 2 or 3 times a week. Be patient to internalize every small detail that at the end of the course will make you type at the same speed as you talk. This first lesson is the most important, The first thing you must learn is how to place your hands on the keyboard. Take a look at the F and G keys. They are the only keys that have a small reach. It's usually a raised bar or a point. And what's their purpose? That without looking at the keyboard, you know where to place the tips of your index fingers, and from this position you will place the rest of the fingers in the home row. We start with the left hand. We have the index finger on the F, the middle finger on the D, the ring finger on the S, and the little finger on the A. We continue with the right hand. We put index finger on the J, the middle finger on the K, the ring finger on the L, and the little finger on the semicolon. You may be thinking, where do I put my thumbs? On the space bar, the longest key on the keyboard, like this. How do I press the space bar? With both thumbs at the same time? With any of them? No. If you press the last key with your right hand before the space, you have to press it with your left thumb, and vice versa. If you use your left hand in the last key, you have to press the space bar with your right thumb. And why it's this way? Because it is the optimal position, the best to type without looking at the keys, and the only one that will allow you to gradually, step by step, master the keyboard and type fluently letters, numbers, punctuation marks, slowly, without weighing you down. In this first exercise, you're going to learn the keys of the home row and the space bar. You should press them mechanically, like a robot, and this way you will memorize the position of the keys. Click on the Start Exercise button. The proposed text will be displayed, and the first key, the letter A, will flicker on the screen. Place the tips of your index fingers on the F and J keys. Next, place middle, ring, little fingers, and finally the thumbs on the space bar. Don't look at the keyboard of your computer. Look at the one you have on the screen. This is how it's done. We press Start Exercise, place our hands, and start. A, S D F space semicolon L K J space A S D F space semicolon L K J space A S D F space semicolon L K J space F D S A space J K L semicolon space F D S A space J K L semicolon space F D S A space J K L semicolon S. When you finish an exercise, the proposed text and your text will be displayed for you to compare them. Also, the mistakes will be remarked if there were any. And in the results panel you will find your scores. We see in this first attempt of the first exercise that the gross speed reached is 57 characters per minute, with 100% precision, since no mistakes were made, and therefore the net speed coincides with the gross one, 57 characters per minute. Finally, the panel shows a brief comment and asks us to advance to the next exercise. This part of the course is dedicated to master the keyboard. To advance to the next exercise, you need to achieve a speed goal of 40 characters per minute with 95% accuracy. Don't worry if you don't get it on the first attempt. You can try twice more. While learning the keyboard, more important than speed is accuracy, making as few mistakes as possible. Remember, as you type, fix your gaze on the keyboard on the screen. Don't get distracted. Don't think about your mistakes. Repeat in your mind each key. And at the end, relax, breathe deeply, and analyze the result. Click on the next exercise or repeat exercise buttons to record the result. Come on, good luck! This video is a lesson from the interdidactica.com typing course. You can register for free to record the results of your exercises, or you can also do them on your own. It's available in other languages and on different keyboards. If you're watching it on YouTube, you have the links to sign up, to start the course on your own, and to do this exercise in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and leave your questions and comments below. Enjoy learning!